Located deep in the Taihang Mountains, the once impoverished Yanjiao village of Guantao County, North China's Hebei province, has been transformed into a land of wealth, becoming a well-known tourist destination.
我呢是一个玩了好多年户外的一个户外爱好者，就是所谓的驴友吧。整个这个太行山这块这个景区这块我还比较熟。半年前呢，我就正好转到这儿了，一进村一看，整个这个环境一看，哎，就被震撼到了，太漂亮了这地方。然后小村子又不大，然后这个人居环境又非常好，打造也特别舒服，一下就给吸引住了，就想在这干点事儿。所以这后期露营地啊，包括这个养汤款啊、餐饮，我就都搞起来了。
But just a few years ago, the village was a completely different scene.
前2年别说游客来出，我甭从这个村门也都不爱回来了，房子塌了塌，毁了毁，院里都长草了。
In recent years, this area has found a new way of rural revitalization by improving infrastructure and the rural living environment. Yanjiao Village has become a houseboat destination with the perfect integration of rural scenery and Taihang Mountains.
随着这个游客增多，这个村民们或这个一些这个农产品，就是就地甚至找到家就都能卖出去，使这个村民们这个增加了一定收入。这除了这个集体收入原来不足5万，逐渐增长到达到2万。下一步我们村还准备着，就是利用这村这个原生态风景，和村里边的这些石头坊、石头屋，打造一些民宿，进一步推动乡村振兴。